In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Slides presentation vertical. This can be particularly helpful when designing flyers, posters, or any presentation that requires a portrait layout instead of the traditional landscape. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. If you haven't already, head over to your web browser and type in Google Slides, or simply click on the link if that's more convenient for you. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If not, take a moment to sign in because that's essential for accessing and saving your projects. Once you're signed in, go to the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll find options to start a new presentation. You can either click on blank presentation to start from scratch, or select one of the available templates if you'd prefer a pre-designed layout. For the purpose of making your slides vertical, both options work just fine. After you've opened a new presentation, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a menu bar. You want to click on File. This is going to open up a drop-down menu with several options. Don't worry, although there are many choices, we're only focusing on the option called Page Setup. Once you click on Page Setup, a dialog box appears. In this box you'll see a default slide size setting, typically widescreen or another preset dimension. What we're interested in is the option marked Custom. Click on Custom to open a field where you can type in your desired dimensions. Now, to make your slide vertical, you'll need to swap the typical width and height measurements. For instance, if the current size is 16 inches wide and 9 inches high, you'll switch this to make it 9 inches wide and 16 inches high. You can choose different dimensions, of course, adjusting to whatever works best for your project. Once you've inputted the new dimensions, click Apply. This will instantly transform your presentation into a vertical layout. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Google Slides presentation to a vertical format. Before you finish, remember that changing the orientation might affect how certain elements of your slides appear. You might need to adjust text boxes, images, and other design elements to make sure they fit nicely within your new vertical layout. And that's it. You've not only learned how to make Google Slides vertical, but also gained some tips on optimizing your presentation for this new format. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.